Namaste. Are you looking for a pose which can challenge your balance and strengthens your core? Then look no further than the Peacock Pose. So let us learn Peacock Pose or Mayurasana. So start by kneeling on the floor and then place your hands underneath your shoulders. Spread your fingers and keep your fingertips facing knees like this. Have 4 to 5 inches gap between your wrists. Then try to bend your elbow, active your core, and press your abdomen on the elbows. And after this, try to lift your head, look front. Slowly try to lift your kneecaps off the ground. Bring your legs together. Keep your thighs pressed and slowly shift your weight more towards the front of the mat and lift your legs. Now, hold the pose for as long as comfortable, breathing deeply and focusing on your balance. Remember to listen to your body and avoid overexertion. Peacock pose is a great way to improve your strength, flexibility and concentration. Now, slowly bring your legs down to the mat and move for a resting pose. Thank you.